Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of facial cupping with what we believe is the best facial cup set for cupping therapy, the SanDine Face Cupping Set. This unique set is designed to reduce double chin, shape your cheeks, and promote radiant skin, and today, we'll go over why it might just be the perfect addition to your skincare routine. First up, let's talk about the key benefits of facial cupping. If you've never heard of cupping therapy, it's a technique that dates back thousands of years. It involves creating suction on the skin, which stimulates circulation, brings oxygen to the area, and helps promote collagen production. This can lead to younger, firmer, and more elastic skin, reducing wrinkles and fine lines over time. Plus, it's a natural way to boost your skin's health without having to visit a spa or clinic. The SanDine Face Cupping Set comes with everything you need to start your at-home cupping routine. It includes 5 high-quality silicone cups made from medical-grade, hypoallergenic material. There are 2 mini facial cups for larger areas like your cheeks and neck, as well as 2 micro cups for delicate areas such as around the eyes, lips, and brows. To top it off, the kit includes an exfoliating brush to help prep your skin, ensuring that the cups work effectively. Now, let's get into how to use the set. The process is straightforward and easy to follow. First, start by warming up your skin with the included exfoliating brush and applying your favorite oil or moisturizer. This will help the cups glide smoothly over your skin. Next, you'll use the larger cups for areas like your cheeks and chin. Simply create suction, and gently move the cups in circular motions upwards. For those delicate areas, the smaller micro cups will work wonders. The gentle suction helps to release tension in your skin, improving circulation and promoting a more lifted appearance. It's recommended to use this cupping set 2 to 3 times a week for just 5 minutes each session. The results? A visible instant lift, smoother skin, and a more youthful appearance. Over time, you'll notice a reduction in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, as well as a firmer and more toned complexion. SanDine's Face Cupping Set is not just effective, but it's also incredibly easy to clean. With its premium, durable materials and thoughtful design, it's a tool you'll be able to rely on for a long time. Plus, it's backed by SanDine's 100% satisfaction promise, ensuring that you'll be happy with your purchase. So, whether you're looking to reduce your double chin, boost collagen, or simply improve your skin's overall health, the SanDine Face Cupping Set is a great choice. It allows you to experience the benefits of cupping therapy at home without the hefty price tag of professional facials. Give it a try, and let us know how it works for you. That's all for today's review on the best facial cups for cupping therapy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest product reviews here on Product Critique. See you next time.